Whoa, whoa. Yeah, yeah. Twinkle. Russian. Since I mean with the money, me I mean with my pussy then. Can out a rich man get a bigger Benz. Wicked bumbo clad gal and it evident. No give a fuck, I'm a Gen Z Jezebel. From you a cruff, you not authorized for the ends. Taddy holy man beat him with a belt. Chat too much youth tapping eyes on me head. Uncle have gal strength, I want to day. Cost of living high, no blood clot. Me can't make a boy fool me ass. Now negotiate with you, no sir. Don't play with my money, much less me. Love free, but good for cars. Real boss, no take a loss. Don't trust no waste man that I love. Him can't finish, much less star. Love free, but good for cars. Real boss, bitch can't take a loss. Price raise, plus tax. If you don't understand that, then fuck off. Now build a man that still know. Feed the fool, then invite me with the same mouth. Them ungrateful, nothing them not care about. But it's a woman's world, it's a free playground. Watch out, so when you walk me the shop, tryna look. I'll pick you with my goods. Put up your cheap wood, relax yourself, it's understood. Tryna break my vibes, I'm not in the fucking mood. If I beg a plan for beg, then believe me, I'm good. I'm so tired of this bum niggas, shoulda, coulda, would. Business me, I run, respect that I show. Still bougie with it. Never lose the game, you all learn and me write it them boo. Love free, but good for cars. Real boss, no take loss. Don't trust no waste man that I love. Him can't finish, much less star. Love free, but good for cars. Real boss, bitch can't take a loss. Price raise, plus tax. If you don't understand that, then fuck off. So since you mean with the money, me a stingy with no pussy then. Scam out a rich man, get a bigger Benz. Wicked bumbo clad gal and it evident. Don't give a fuck, I'm a Gen Z Jezebel. And you a cruff, you not authorized for the ends. My unholy man beat him with a belt. Chat too much, you tapping eyes on me head. Only have girl strength, I want to them.